Here's how to see your Wi-Fi password on the iPhone. So if you've connected to a Wi-Fi before in the past, a network, you can actually see the different passwords for those. You would go up to Settings and then go to Wi-Fi. Now, inside of Wi-Fi, you've got potentially the network that you're connected to right now. You can also go to Edit up here in the upper right, and once you authenticate with your Touch ID or whatnot, you can go into all those old known networks, and all you have to do is click on the I here on the right. And so if I back out to the network that I'm currently on, I can click the I and I'll see password right here. And if you tap on that, you're going to be able to see the password. You're going to have to enter in your authentication again, so your security code or use Touch ID, anything like that, and then it will show you the password for that Wi-Fi network. And that works with all of the old known networks that you've been on. So when you click that edit button, you can look at all the known networks there as well. That's how you can see your Wi-Fi password on iPhone.